This is how to install tailgate lettering on a 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500. The first set of lettering that I got on Amazon was not very good, and I ended up returning them because the letters just wouldn't stay on. This set of lettering, on the other hand, is absolutely perfect. Very well packaged, and the adhesive is very good. Link to where I found these on Amazon in the description below. First and foremost, you need to make sure that the area is clean. I used a little bit of rubbing alcohol here. Now my buddy Joel is helping me out once I got the lettering on to make sure that all the lettering is on tight. And for the sake of time, we're going to speed this up a little bit. And that's all there's to it. The big thing is that everything has to be clean. And that's how you put letters on the 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe.